We have a beautiful boma for the kids to see how traditional Masai family homes are being built, sit on the swing and take a moment and relax. And then, of course, our swimming pool, which is always a great success with the kids. The inspiration behind creating different activities for the children are our own children. They are very keen on going on safari. They love seeing the animals, but also there's so much more to learn, like the tracking, when they go out with the guides and have a look at the different tracks they can see along the way, learning about making a fire.
With the kids, for me, it's feeding that curiosity. There's always a new door to be opened. And if you can open those for the children, it is a truly magical experience.
Family is the core, it's the backbone of everything.